Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to send web traffic from Facebook to an external website using an already existing post on the Meta Business Suite app. So basically we are covering how to boost your Facebook post on the Meta Business Suite, where we are going to send traffic to an external website from Facebook. So let's jump right straight into this video.
So we'll launch the Business Suite app. So now if you want to switch to your preferred page, you click on your profile picture at the top left corner. There you could switch across any of your preferred pages. Okay, so if not, let's say I switch to Gospel Wobo. Alright, so I've switched into this page, but this is not the one we want to use. I just wanted to show you how to switch across pages. So we're going to switch back to Grite. So we go back to Grite. Then, in order to start advertising, we click on Advertise. Okay, so ensure that this is on the Facebook session. So this is for Facebook, while this is for Instagram. But we're going to do for Facebook this time around. So click on See All. So we're going to select one of these posts. So let's select this one. So once this opens up, the first thing you need to do is to scroll down to the bottom to select your preferred ad account. So we're going to scroll down to our bottom. So the goal here is to select your preferred business, prepaid or postpaid ad account. So the ad account should be business. Do not use your personal ad account. Your personal ad account is the ad account that uses your exact name you bear on Facebook. Okay, so you need to avoid using that ad account. So for this particular instance, you can see that our preferred business ad account is already activated. But if you want to change yours, you click on this drop down where your ad account is. So you click on your ad account, then you'll be able to find other ones. Okay, so make sure you use the new ad account we created for you for this ads or whenever you want to run ads on the Meta Business Suite and with these procedures we've highlighted. So we're going to leave it at the official Grite ad account. Okay, so we've selected that again, the official Grite ad account. So after selecting your preferred business ad account, you scroll back to the top. For Nigerians, make sure it's the prepaid ad account you selected. So under the goals, we click on See More. Then we're going to go for Get More Website Visitors. So this could get you traffic to your external website. All right, so we click on Get More Website Visitors. Okay. So you could use Book Now or Learn More, whichever one you want to use. So let's edit the call to action button. So click on Edit. Then we'll go for Learn More. So this is Learn More. Okay. All right, so for the URL, you could decide on which particular web page you want to send them, or you just want to send them to your home page. So for us, we're just going to leave them to go to www.gritenm.com. Okay, but if you want to add other things, you could edit and send them to a specific web page at the URL box. Okay, so let's click on Save. Okay, so we're going to continue. So this ad is not under the special ad category, so we're going to leave it off. Okay, so the special ad category is when you're running ads that has to do with real estate, financial products and services, employment, housing or social issues, elections or politics. So make sure you turn it on. Then you select the particular categories your ad falls under. If it's real estate, select housing. If you're running an ad campaign about job employment for real estate, select housing and also employment. If it's only employment, select employment. Okay, if it's only social issues, you select that. If it's only financial product, you select that. All right guys, so let's continue. Since this ad doesn't fall under the special ad category, we're not going to turn this on. We're just going to continue. Okay, so this is for a target audience. You want to use the Advantage audience, Advantage Plus audience, or you could select any of your saved ones, or you could say target people who follow your profile and people similar to them. So this is more like using a lookalike audience and also people who follow you. Okay, but for this, I'm going to strongly recommend that since it's a traffic ad campaign to your website, select the Advantage Plus audience so that you allow Meta's algorithm and system and technology to find your best audience and help you get the maximum link click on this ad. Okay, so for the placement, we're going to leave all of this: Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. So the next thing is to select our budget. We're just going to work with a small budget for this particular ad campaign, but we strongly recommend run your ad for at least 7 days. So if you want to increase the number of days, you click on this plus sign under the days. Okay, but for this particular campaign, for this tutorial, we're just going to work with 2 days. Then our budget, we're going to reduce it to about 4,000 something. Okay, so 4,006 naira. So once we are done setting up all of this, then we'll click on boost post now. But you could also add more fonts if you're using a higher budget or a longer duration like I recommended. Okay, you could also run your ad for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending on what you could afford. Okay, so let's hit the boost post button now to launch this ad campaign. So now we successfully launched